My name is Sebastian Mueller. I'm the Director Global Late Stage Business Development at Vetter Pharma, a global CDMO. So Vetter Pharma is a family-owned company doing drug product manufacturing as a full service provider in the CDMO field. That means contract development manufacturing organizations, where we take small biotechs up to large pharma by their hand and guide them from clinical phase 1 up to launch and continuous global commercial supply. Today I talked about win-win partnerships, especially long-term partnerships. What does it mean? What is crucial in partnerships? What is crucial in establishing partnerships? And one bottom line was definitely the trust. You have to find the right partner where you put the trust in to guide you from clinical phase 1 up to commercial and a global supply, which also means to overcome challenges, issues along the process, not hiding anything, but being transparent and open and having a solid partner at hand where you can sleep well at night. So Vetter Pharma is very much focused on injectables. We are doing predominantly biologics, originator, high-value complex biologics. Therefore, we constantly innovate in the field of drug product manufacturing. That means we are running several clean rooms with different scales in order to ensure robust and continuous drug product manufacturing supply. But also on the other hand, we are doing final assembly and packaging of those biologics, where we continuously innovate in order, for example, to come along with a lot of products go from IV to subcutaneous, which means auto-injector assembly, and with all the sustainability we currently have around the world, going towards all paper packaging. So this is where we as a company adapt and provide these services to our customers. It's not actually a particular project, but in the area we are in innovative molecules, innovative biologics. That means really breakthrough topics. We are at the state of the art, at the forefront of innovation. So it's really nice, for example, if you look into the news, into the pharmaceutical news, and you see new products launching in the market, helping patients out there with life-saving medicine, and you know that your company played a certain piece in it. I think that's every day what keeps us all alive and happy at work. I think one topic is to really begin with the end in mind. That means already during your development, during your clinical phases 1 and 2, looking ahead and looking, where do I want to end up? What kind of product is it? What are my patients? And how does the medication need to be supplied towards the patient? That means, should it be in an auto-injector, in a device? Is it home care? Is it administered in a hospital by a physician or by the patient itself? So this is something which is a huge trend currently, while so many biologics go from IV to subcutaneously. And we also saw it during the COVID pandemic. So people don't go out so much, maybe cannot go to the hospital, so they administer the drug at home. And this is something where we see a huge trend that medication is assembled into auto-injectors, self-medication, and applied by the patient. Again, putting the eye on the biologics field, on the innovative biologics field, I think, and then commercial globally supply, it's twofolded. On the one side, it's flexibility to really come up with flexible concepts when it comes to capabilities and capacities, supplying globally, but on the other hand, also continuity. That means having a reliable partner on hand where you can be sure that the drug is manufactured in time and in the right quality. And this will be for the next years, but also mid-long term, the top priority, I guess. So when we talk about operations, I can only refer to the operations in the field of global business development. And here I would say AI and digitalisation can help in make certain topics and tasks more efficient, more easy, more fast. But it doesn't mean that it will replace ultimately the person and the people behind it. Because in our business, It's always about people, and contracts are there, but it's people who are making a partnership really valuable. So I think digitalization will be in future much more faster enabler, but not something which overtakes everything else.